Are you a business leader who's heard about how AI is completely transforming content for businesses and how it's created? Are you wondering if that also includes video content and whether it can help your team or even replace your video team completely? If so, stick around. We're going to talk about what AI can help you do for your business videos, where some limitations still are, and how you can integrate it into your video marketing strategy. Can AI replace your video team? No, AI cannot replace a good videographer or a good video team, but AI can be used as an accelerator for your current team. Video for business is a critical part of building and maintaining trust, and an over-reliance on AI for video can make that trust disappear in an instant. The brands using AI well are not choosing between AI and human creativity. They're using AI to scale faster and produce more while still protecting the human authenticity that makes video work. That video mindset makes it easier to decide where AI belongs in your workflow and where it doesn't. AI has real practical value in cutting down the time spent on certain video tasks. Here are some areas where we found AI to be really useful. Editing and camera switching for podcasts. AI is not an amazing editor for most business videos. It can handle simple edits and it can speed up pieces of the process, but the results often start to fall apart when you need thoughtful pacing or meaningful rearranging and story-driven cutting. The strongest use case is podcast-style content. If you're producing a video, podcast, or a multicam conversation that doesn't need heavy restructuring, tools like Autopod can be a big win. They can handle the repetitive parts like switching angles and creating a cleaner first pass, so your editor can spend time on the parts that actually improve the viewer experience. Repurposing long-form videos into short clips. Before AI, repurposing meant watching the full video, taking notes, and then manually clipping moments and formatting them for each platform. After AI, tools like Opus Clip can surface highlights and turn them into multiple short clips. The best workflows include a human review so that clips keep their context and reflect your brand accurately. Captions on videos are nothing new, but AI tools have improved the speed and accuracy for getting them done. Tools like Descript can speed up the caption process and a lot of the cleanup around video content. They made it easy to remove filler words, enhance audio quality, generate captions quickly, and use AI helpers to improve on-camera delivery with their eye contact tool. As always, make sure a video-savvy team member is reviewing any of this AI and captioning output. Now let's get into some of the limitations we've seen around AI for video marketing. Like we already mentioned, video succeeds when it creates emotional clarity and reinforces trust. AI can support execution, but it struggles with a lot of the human signals that make a moment land. It lacks creative intuition. A common failure mode shows up in the editing of emotional stories, like customer journey videos. AI often trims natural pauses, small hesitations, and even a breath right before a really powerful line. Those imperfect moments are frequently the exact moments that feel real. A human editor protects the timing and emotion that viewers instinctively trust. It lacks human connection. People connect with people. An emotional moment on camera does not land the same way through a generated avatar. AI avatars can still be useful for specific use cases, like replacing text-only emails, website chatbots, or courses where the information changes often. Just make sure to use them ethically and transparently so they enhance communication rather than confusing your audience. It can't replace strategic oversight. AI can cut clips, but strategy decides which clips align with your brand, which points matter, and what the viewer should feel by the end. A lot of repurposing tools will give you some kind of virality score. That can be helpful as a signal, but it's rarely the full story. So choosing the right moments takes context about your audience, your positioning, your intent, and your ethics. So now that you've heard some strengths and limitations, let's talk about how to integrate AI into your video process. The easiest way to integrate AI without lowering quality is to use it for the parts of the workflow that are repetitive, predictable, and easy to review. Think of AI as a helpful assistant that sets the table while your team still cooks the meal. We've mentioned some great use cases, and the smartest next step is to talk with your video team about their current pain points and where AI tools could make the process more efficient. It's important that you come to the conversation with the right tone. Make it clear you're trying to remove the annoying parts of the job and make their work more enjoyable. Not to make anyone feel like their role is at risk. That's important. If they don't have ideas right away, have them test a few tools that interest them. You can also have them ask ChatGPT for ways AI can ease specific pain points in your current workflow. Should I use generative videos for my business? Generative video can be used for business if it's used tastefully and in ways that aren't decreasing human connection. If your team can shoot it, you should shoot it. Real footage of your people, your process, your customers, and your environment builds the kind of familiarity that audiences trust. Where generative video starts to make sense is when you need a visual that would be unrealistic for your team to capture, or it requires so much production that it makes absolutely no sense to pay for it. In those cases, a generated clip can function like supporting material, helping the viewer understand an idea without pretending it is documented reality. Generative video works really well in two places. One is storyboarding and creating ideas. You can mock up a concept, a mood, or a visual direction and run it past decision makers before you ever schedule a shoot. That saves time, reduces revisions, and helps everyone agree on what good looks like before the cameras ever roll. Second is supplemental B-roll. This is where you need a quick background visual that supports what you're saying without making a factual claim about your company, your customers, your results, or an event. Here's the decision rule you always want to come back to. Ask, will this increase trust? If the generated clip risks misleading or frustrating someone, skip it. Where AI in video is heading for small and mid-sized businesses. AI video tools have a lot of limitations right now, but at the same time, they're getting better by the day. And that matters because the teams that benefit the most are building a steady habit of learning what these tools can do, where they fit, and where they don't. If you encourage your team to explore AI tools in a low-pressure way, you build base knowledge that compounds. Your videographers and editors start to recognize the moments where AI can save time, the moments where it will create extra work, and the moments where it could hurt trust. Give your team space to test one tool or one feature at a time. Have them document what it's good at, what it's not, and what guardrails you want to keep. Over time, that turns into a shared workflow playbook, and it helps you avoid the situation where the tools improve quickly and your team feels like they're playing catch up. You want a team that feels confident using AI where it makes sense, and equally confident saying, this is a human job when the stakes are higher. If you want to learn more about creating a video strategy for your business that builds trust and closes deals, check out the link in the description for our guide on video marketing strategy. You'll learn how to build out your team, the best types of videos for your business's growth, and you'll see real examples of businesses winning with video today.